What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and good morning. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're gonna go out and do some retail arbitrage today. So as you guys can see, we're over at Dollar Tree. You can see that over there. So we're at the Dollar Tree, and then right behind me, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a Walmart right there. So we're gonna basically go hit both of these, and there's a little shoe store over across the street, so we're gonna go over there and hit that as well, and then we're gonna go out and hit a few more Walmarts and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, like this is kind of like my routine every morning. As you guys can see, it is 8:28 right now. So basically what I like to do is I'll go out first thing early in the morning, and I'll hit the Walmarts that open up at 6 o'clock. So I'm actually running a little late today. So I'll hit the Walmarts that just fully restocked, probably went in to clean the clearance hours, reorganized it, stuff like that. So I'll go hit all of those first, and then I'll go to the other Walmarts, and that are 24 hours, and then basically from there I'll just hit all the stores around Walmart, so wherever I decide to go. So yeah, guys, it's like pretty much what I do on a daily basis now. It's like I don't really have anything else to do. I know some people be like, oh man, if you do this and you do that, you'd save time. Like, but guys, literally all I have is time. Like, my business is run on autopilot. I bought my house cash. I bought my car cash. I have no monthly bills other than utilities. It costs like $500 a month, and I make 6 figures a year, and I make 5 figures a month. Like, I have nothing but time. I'm like 24, and I'm like damn near basically retired. Or at least have a retired lifestyle, I should say. But that is it. Well, not it, but you guys know. I'll show you guys some of the stuff when we find in the store. Look how bad it is out here. Looks horrible. So these are the perfect days to go out, because a lot of other people aren't gonna want to go out. So if you guys want results that other people, that 9 out of 10 people don't get, you gotta do what 9 out of 10 people don't do. Alrighty, guys, so we are in the as seen on TV aisle. I'm telling you guys, always hit this aisle. This is like the best aisle ever. I mean, they always got something on sale over here. So like, look at these right here. These are $9 a piece. I cannot remember for the life of me how much those were. I'll have to check in a second or whatnot, and I'll probably put like a little thing on the screen or whatever. But yeah, those were going like super high before, or either they're maybe they're two different ones, because this one says 9, this one says 28, so I'll have to check on there or whatnot. But yeah, guys, I came and bought all of these up right here too. I was gonna bring them back because personally I didn't like the way they work, but I mean, at the same time, it's like they're selling good on Amazon, so I was like, you know what, I'll just send them in. It's whatever. These right here, absolutely love them. Cash off of these. Yeah, I actually made a shit ton of money off of these right here, guys. Absolutely love them. These right here are literally going for $4. I'm gated in that though. I don't know how much these are going for. I think these are a hot item right now too. So yeah, if you just always check out this aisle, guys. Like, I absolutely love this aisle. Also, you guys can download the Walmart app and check the prices and stuff like that, but it's always better to use that machine if it's possible. That's just in my personal opinion, because like I said, you never know when it comes to this. I've scanned plenty of stuff, that wasn't even on clearance, and Walmart will be saying it's one price, the Walmart app will say it's one price, and the other store will say it's another price, right? I actually got to check. I have bought a bunch of these right here for $15, and I don't remember if they sold or not, but they're going for about, I think it's like $50 on Amazon, so you're walking with like $30 profit. So these aren't selling in your area. Pick up a few of them and see if you can sell them. Check it out, guys. See, told you, they normally do some nice little, decorating, cleaning up, stuff like that. Gonna get to scanning some stuff here. So first thing I like to do is just come in here and just walk around, because I come in here a lot, so obviously it's a lot of stuff that I've already scanned. I just like to look around and see if anything's new. Like this guy right here is new, but I'm assuming that they come with a box, so I'm not gonna look at that, because I mean, I don't really sell anything that's not brand new. I'll probably sell in like new condition, but like something like you see, like well, damn. Well, you guys see what I'm talking about. Like this right here. Box is just super messed up. As you can see, it's been opened up. It's still in the plastic. It doesn't have the new smell, so nah, like I wouldn't waste my time with that. You see that? See what I did there? You guys saw my other video, you know what I'm talking about. These actually went down right here, but I think they're still a little too high. I'll come back and scan these. That's another thing too, guys. Never guess, scan. Never guess. Always, 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 always scan, you know. I don't know anything about ladies products, but you know, I'll scan and see if I'm ungated, see how much we can get in that. But yeah, guys, you know, we're about to get into this. If I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me know. Ooh, look at all that. Yeah, that's looking real nice. Yeah, they sold out of the whatchamacallit things. Those are actually selling real nice. I can't think of what they're called off the top of my head, but they're in like this garden section right here, and they're like these little light things. If I remember, I'll put like a picture on the screen or something like that, but those are selling like wildfire, you know. I think this is selling good too, but I'm pretty sure I'm gated. But again, I'll have to let you guys know once I switch cameras or whatnot. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a sec. Guys, if they ever drop this toy right here down in your area, definitely scoop it up. I mean, look at the profit margins on that. That is super sweet. And then look, this is like super low competition for all the people that be crying about a lot of people being on stuff, right? And there's no Amazon, so 22 bucks on you know, the profits would be nice for that. The only downfall in my area is still going for 24 bucks. So yeah, like, you guys can get that dirt cheap. Why not? I mean, you know, not bad at all. If they ever drop that down to, you know, about 5 bucks and have a lot of them, that would be a nice little piece of change. These right here as well, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I'm still gated, and this stuff right here. But as you see, they're going for 4 in my area. You know, I go to a whole bunch of different Walmarts. This is the cheapest one I've been to personally. Normally I've seen some that go for about, like, what was it, I want to say about a good, what would it be? It was like, I can't think of the number off the top of my head. I think it was like 13 bucks or something like that. But yeah, so you see I'm still restricted or whatnot. But yeah, this would have been a nice little buy too, because, you know, if we were able to sell it, we could have, you know, profited $3, you know, about, let's just say about 3 bucks or whatnot, after shipping and all that on each one, you know, which wouldn't have been bad at all. But can't sell it, and you know, I don't sell on eBay, so just gotta leave it there. But yeah, just gotta keep scanning, guys. That's the whole thing. It's just scan, 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 scan. You know, if you can't find things, odds are you're not scanning enough. You know, just keep scanning. You know, like, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? You scan, scan, scan. Alrighty, guys, so we found our first product. Check it out. So we got these right here. Rank is 1600. So let's go ahead and show you guys a little stuff on the phone here. All right, so you see rank is 1400 in beauty. We're gonna make about, what would that be, about $3? Well, let's just say like $2.50 after like fees and stuff, because these are 3 bucks. All right, so let's just say like 3 bucks, right? So not bad. We're spending 3 to make 3, and there are quite a few of them. So we're about to go ahead, pick all of these up here, and I'm telling you guys, it's literally all you have to do. Just keep scanning. If you see these in your area, check them out. I've been buying these up for about $1.50, turn around selling them for about $9, making anywhere from $3 to $4 profit on every single one. So yeah, guys, like, I mean, when you buy the cheap stuff, there's going to be a little bit, well, not a little bit, there's going to be a lot of competition, but you can still make some good money if you hold out and let all the people that are willing to make 30-cent profit, you know, like, once they're all out the way, then you're going to be good. Go to different aisles. A lot of you just like go to the clearance section and then that's it, and you go home. Like, check out all the aisles, guys. Do you see this right here? All right, save $2, you know, who knows, it might be going for 15 online, and you know, after fees we only would have been making like 3 bucks. It wouldn't have been worth it, but you know, with the extra 2 on there, with the save and the discount or whatnot, that might be worth it now for the 5. You know what I'm saying? So go down different aisles, just walk around. You know, you can start making you a little pile here and there, then just go grab your cart and pick up all your stuff. Like, I mean, just walk around, check out the food, check out, you know, the auto, check out the electronics, you know, just check out the stores, you know. Just really go through and just like get to know your stores that you go to on a regular basis, you know. Again, just gotta check them out, guys. Like, there's nothing really stopping you from checking it out, you know. Just look. Alrighty, guys, so we are in Dollar Tree right now. So this is my favorite aisle in here, the books, guys. So I just recently found out that they actually get their books from Walmart, Target, Barnes and Noble, like all random places. Like, I just thought it would be like some legit like Dollar Tree books. So I'm gonna go through this, pick out some books, and I'll show you guys what I get when I'm back at home. I already got a lot of stuff at Walmart, so gotta take all the stuff home, drop it off, and then this is literally what I do on a daily basis, guys. Alrighty, guys, so just got out of the Dollar Tree, had a nice little killing in there, spent about 50 bucks. Projected earnings are around like 400 to 500. Inside of Walmart, it's around 400. So far today we're probably around like $900, and it's literally only been about 2 hours and 30 minutes since we got started. So not bad at all, guys. Literally anybody can do this. You walk into a store, you buy something, you send it to Amazon, and then that's it. You just forget it. You get random sales all throughout the week or all throughout the month or however long it takes to sell it. But, you know, eventually it will sell, or it just comes back to you and then you just take it back to the store and return it and you get your money. Like, I mean, there's no way you can lose with this. And let's say it's too long or whatever, you can take it and donate it and then you can use it as a write-off. So no matter what, you're still going to make money, you know, in one way or another. So either you're going to get it back in taxes, well, not get it back, but get it as a write-off in taxes, or you're going to get your money back when you take it back to the store. Very simple stuff, guys. But yeah, like I said, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just upload what I got right now from like the first little video, whatever. So what you guys saw so far today is just what I uploaded, and then I'm just gonna go out and hit it some more, you know. Probably be out to about 5 or 6 today, just buying stuff up. You know, I want to get about a good 40, 50 boxes, like really good big boxes of stuff, and just send it into Amazon all at one time, so then I can just get a massive amount of sales when they get there. But again, that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you got any questions, simply drop them down below.